Hello friends, today we are going to make soybean gravy. Let's start by heating the oil in a pan. Now add mustard seeds, cumin seeds and dry curry leaves. Let it crackle. Add the chopped onions. Add some salt. It will help onions to become translucent quickly. Add ginger garlic paste and fry it until the raw smell goes away. Add the chopped tomatoes. Cover and cook them well. Once you see the tomatoes are softened, it's time to add the spices. I am adding chicken masala powder to the gravy as it will make the soybean taste and smell like chicken. Or else you can add these spices like turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala and coriander powder. A teaspoon of red chili powder for spiciness. Add some water so that the spices don't stick to the bottom and let it cook for a minute. Now add 2 tablespoons of yogurt or curd and mix it quickly with the gravy. Once you see this oil separates from the gravy, add 1 cup of water. Add some salt to taste and let it boil. I have already soaked soybean for 5 to 6 hours. You could either boil it in the hot water until it becomes spongy, or else you could just soak it in the water for 5 to 6 hours. This curry already looks so yummy. Now cover the lid and cook on a medium flame for 5 to 10 minutes. Check the salt and add some if required. Garnish it with freshly chopped coriander leaves. And here you have the delicious soybean gravy ready to be served. Do try this recipe and let us know how it turned out. Thank you for watching the video till here. Please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for such delicious recipes.